Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll guide you through a full tutorial on how to make your Instagram stories shareable. Are you ready to connect and engage with your audience? Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Tap the hamburger menu, 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. It's time to access the Settings menu. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Privacy option and tap on it. Step 5. Within the Privacy settings, locate and tap on the Story option. Step 6. In the Sharing section, make sure the toggles for Allow Sharing to Story and Allow Sharing to Messages are turned on. If they aren't, simply swipe the toggle button to the right to activate them. By following these simple steps, you can make your Instagram stories easily shareable with your friends and followers. Connect with your audience and let your captivating stories reach a wider audience. That's it for our full guide on making your Instagram stories shareable. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.